courage. Courage to let go, to surrender, to not think you need to know what to say next. Courage to focus on other people instead of your selfishness about yourself. Courage, even if you've had a bad streak of no calls and you're worried about money, the courage to let go of that and to actually just choose abundance when you turn up to that sales call. All of these are choices of courage. That is what you're doing when you read your pre-call checklist, is stepping into that courage. Because to be courageous, as it said, is to not have fear. So if you are fearful, but you choose to be courageous, what is it that allowed you to overcome the fear? It is the humility that there is something bigger and above you that is going to guide you through whatever's meant to be. It's realizing that there's already some other thing out there that's not you, and it requires humility to accept that, and therefore you're able to step through courage. What are you letting go of? Ego. Your ego. To go a little bit deeper, there is two versions of the word self. Self with a lowercase s and self with an uppercase s. The self in an uppercase s is the source version of you. Self with a lowercase s is the ego version of you. You're letting go of the lowercase s ego version, stepping into the bigger version of you.
How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.